In this lesson, let's dive into and learn about the differences between the request response and event-driven communication styles and when to use each one of them. The request response message style is useful when you need to exchange messages between various external services. With this paradigm, you can be certain that a service has actually received the message without the need to manually implement message acknowledgement or ACK protocol. Like any software development paradigm, nothing is a silver bullet. Try to keep in mind that the request response paradigm is not always the best choice. For example, streaming transporters that use log-based persistence, such as Kafka, are optimized for solving a different range of issues, more aligned with an event messaging paradigm. To enable the request response message type, Nest creates two logical channels. One is responsible for transferring the data, while the other waits for incoming responses. For some underlying transports, such as NATs, this dual channel support is provided out of the box. For others, Nest compensates by manually creating separate channels. There can be an overhead for this. So, if you do not require a request response message style, you should consider using the event-based method. To create a message handler based on the request response paradigm, we can use the message pattern decorator. While the request response method is ideal for exchanging messages between services, it is less suitable when your message style is event-based. For example, when you just want to publish events without waiting for a response. In that case, you do not need the overhead required by request response for maintaining two channels. Suppose you would like to simply notify another service that a certain condition has occurred in this part of the system. If that's your use case, then you should most likely use the event-based message style. To declare an event handler, we can simply use the event pattern decorator. Nest provides several built-in transport strategies, including HTTP, NATs, Kafka, RabbitMQ, and many others. Each of these transport strategies can be used for both request response and event-based communication styles, but some of them are better suited for one, not the other. For example, HTTP is a request response protocol, so it's better suited for a request response communication style. On the other hand, Kafka is a message broker, so it's better suited for an event-based communication style. With Nest.js, we can also integrate with other protocols and message brokers by creating our own custom transport strategies. However, we won't be diving into this topic in this course, so if you're interested in learning more about this, check out the official Nest.js documentation, and a link can be found right below the course video.